Every once in a while you stumble upon a hack that can change your life.
So
if this works, it changes everything.
What's on fire, Barry? I can see it from here.
Hello everybody, hey Mrs. B.
Hello.
Welcome to another kitchen hack testing video, part of an epic playlist. If you've missed any at the end of the video, put on your sweatband, have a marathon, check out the others. This series in which we test the hacks. Generally kitchen ones because that's the segment, that's our genre that we do. And today, Mrs. B has no idea, do you?
Nope, no idea what they are.
No idea. So
they're all right
they
when
are.
you do them.
Well, they're
dangerous when you do them.
Yeah, I was been good today. They're more like preppy, honestly.
They are ones that when I see, I look at and think, no, too much effort or too dangerous. I look at them and go, yes.
They're all right today.
Okay.
I think you're gonna like it. Yeah.
Okay.
First thing we do is preheat an oven. We're gonna roast. Oh my gosh. Mrs. B,
yeah?
Have you ever been in a situation where you want to cut up a potato into roasted potatoes quickly?
Potato wedges then, yes?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
This thing, right? Okay. Hopefully most of you have this. What's it for?
Core and apples?
It is for core and apples, but also an instant potato wedger, where you can make a flour wedge so it cooks quicker and you can roast it and season it and all that stuff, yeah.
Okay.
Ready? Here we go. Okay. Instant wedge potato. Now, if I slowly take this out, we should be left.
Watch your fingers.
Yeah. Oh, look! We are left with a little potato flour. Trademark. Trademark, yeah?
Trademark.
Now, what we can do, we can obviously roast that. We can season it first. Daytime, nighttime. So I'm going to pepper it. Mrs. B's going to do her best Salt Bay impression. He's getting loads of stick. He's opened a restaurant in England.
Surprise! A journalist did a report and went and sat with a kebab outside.
Was that the one that was paid to do a review there? And they were going to give him the money to do it.
And he said he refused to waste their money and went and got a kebab.
Sat outside. Nice. And all being well, at the end of the video, we will dine on pumpkin potatoes. Catch the avocado. Oh my gosh, well done. Nice one, mate. She was going to tell me off camera. Have you ever been in a situation, Mrs. B, where you need to quickly remove the stone from avocado and you don't have a gadget in your drawer down there?
Yes.
Well,
all the time, because I can never find the gadget.
This might help you.
Do you know, I heard, like, casualty doctors see more hand injuries through slicing avocados than anything else.
Really? That's amazing.
And you go, and miss your avocado and it goes straight into your hand. 66%
of stats are made up on the spot. Your two fingers there, either side of the stone.
My fingers are smaller than yours.
That's fine. Just make sure you have it either side of the stone like that, so you've got a gap like that. Now, where is your thumb naturally as you hold it?
I got it. You push it up with your thumb.
Yeah. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Push through.
It's moving.
Well, that went well. There's a spinning avocado stone. And look at the state of that.
Mine's okay. I think that's good.
Oh, it's great. Look at that.
That's safer than sticking a knife and missing the stone and...
Well, you could just get a spoon. That was so soft and scoop it out.
Oh, yeah.
No, Boston. It's still spinning for him. No, not for you, mate, all right? Dog biscuits. Look. How can you say that's good?
I like that.
I mean, yeah, it's fun.
Oh, you did yours too hard. You're too heavy-handed.
No, I just pushed it gently and it just burst through.
No, I did mine gently. Mine's okay.
All right, so did it work? Did it get the stone out?
Yes. It was. I think that's a good one. I like that one.
Is it a messy, horrendous like thing that we shouldn't experience again?
I'm going to do that one all the time.
Hack number thrice. Have you ever been in a situation where you're holding a bunt tin?
Yes.
And you have no idea why?
I'm holding it the wrong way. Is it going to go like that?
What?
Oh, no. How are we going to do like that and cook the corn in there?
So you think we're going to cook the corn in there?
Stick it in there?
Yes.
So I was nearly right.
You were going to stick it in there like it's some sort of bin. Oh! Just flick sweet corn juice in my face. What happens is this is going to act as a collection system for the corn.
Okay, so the corn's going to come off?
Yeah.
So you want, I see, so you wanted it to fit in there?
Yes, yeah, it's got a
acts as like a holder.
Yeah, so that goes in there. Oh, like that. There you go. Sorry. You take your knife and you just run along there, okay? And then you can turn all the way down.
Ah.
Is that cool or what?
Looks like a bit of a murder scene.
Yeah, it does a bit, doesn't it? But you're done with that and you've got your corn in there.
I like that. That's a good one.
Do you want to have a try? See? I think that's genius.
I like
It looks a little bit weird, like a confused skyscraper being shaved or kebab.
Another good one.
Thank you, mate. That is quite a good one. And you kind of left these like sheets of sweet corn. I've never seen that before. Folks, I've just got a couple of these strips and I'm putting paprika down onto my corn. And we're going to keep baking them with those potatoes, which are probably about halfway there. Rice. Have you ever been in a situation where your other half is a little bit messy when they open packaging and it can spill out?
Like, there's a plastic bag and it says resealable tab. Like, open here. When you open a pack of wraps,
I just rip it open.
You just rip it, and I'm like, no, there's a line that you open, take the wrap out, and then it seals it back down. But you just go right in there. Drives me mad.
Mrs. Barry's family mediation channel is launching next week. But basically, we have got some rice here, and this is actually going to kill me because I've got to open it fairly carefully to show you it working anyway.
Should I open it?
Can you please stop it about there?
Okay.
Yes, Mrs. B. Okay, so what we have here is a nice classic pouring pouch, right?
Yeah.
See how the rice is delicately pouring? That's enough, mate. We have some for dinner tonight.
Yeah.
But do you see how the rice was delicately flowing out of the gently, horizontally snip?
Carefully cut line?
Yes.
Yes. Now what? Oh, is this about sealing a packet?
This is where the flames come in.
Okay. Are we going to mount the bag shut?
Yeah, sort of. What we're going to do is take the lid off.
Yeah.
And then we are going to weld the lid inside this.
Okay.
Yeah?
All sorts of things are running through my head right now.
See?
Yeah. Hang on. Didn't we do something like this once for a hack? And then there was like black bits of ash going everywhere. Because it's taking me ages to get it off the white wooden blinds.
Yes. Well, anyhow.
Okay.
Enough about facts and safety. This goes in here. We might need to make this slightly bigger actually. So this goes in here like that, okay? And then we're going to melt that. See, watch. See it going?
Wow.
See it going? Bit closer. Bit closer.
Oh, it's on fire. Oh no, I made a hole.
Oh, that's not supposed to happen. My finger. Be careful.
Sorry.
It should grip to it.
It was this side, and then I got too close, and then it made a hole.
Yeah.
Careful, it's on fire.
Oh no, I've made a hole.
Yeah, it's on fire.
It's not joining to it. What's going on? I have got another bag of rice. It might be the material it's made of. Could be.
Plastic.
Yeah, but there's good and bad plastic. I mean, it's all bad,
All
isn't it?
bad.
Unless you're supposed to melt this.
No, you just cut.
Look. That wants to stick. Hi.
It's on fire, Barry. I can see it from here.
All right, I'm sorry, mate. Yeah, that ain't working.
Can we just stop?
Why is that not working?
Because it's a silly hack. You just get a closed peg and he'll seal it together.
Oh. Poo puddings.
Fail.
Just before we start hack number 5, boom, the smell is amazing. Let's have a look at them.
They're done.
Oh, nice.
Look at that.
Happy with that?
I am. That's fancy.
Alright, so we'll let them cool down a little bit and taste them at the end. So, Mrs. B, hack number 5. Have you ever been in a situation where you want to have a cheesy hot dog on a stick?
No. But yes,
well, now you can.
This video, yes.
Cool. We're going to take some bread, okay, and cut it roughly. We then take, this is a jar of hot dogs. Oh, yes! That's what I was looking for, to see if the size of that works out the same. So we've got 2 hot dogs, okay?
Okay. And
we cut it, again, in thirds.
Right.
And I've done that too soon. No! Actually, it doesn't matter.
Have you got to put these in first?
Yeah, put these in first.
Right.
You're after something like that, okay? But I cut it soon because it makes it easier to cut it once you've threaded it.
Like, have I got to go up and out?
No, that was my user error. Yeah, there you go.
Oh gosh, I did that blindfolded. Like, I couldn't see if it was going through this. I didn't. But you know where I was.
Oh gosh, I did that blindfolded. Oh yeah, of course. That massive blindfold on your head did give it away.
I meant. Like,
Oh no, I can't wait to hear this.
I couldn't see where I was going with the.
Okay, so we should have now some hot dogs
Oh, I like that.
on sticks, but
Yeah.
we gotta cook them.
Where's the cheese?
We want the cheese to be about the same length as the bread, okay? So if I just do it based on that one, we can cut off that. It's about 1.5 slices. And once that starts to sort of melt and go a little bit bubbly,
Yeah.
we stick this onto there,
Wow.
okay?
Okay. I'm quite excited by this.
So sit that in the furthest side or the right of that rectangle
This
as you
one?
can. Or
No,
that, whichever
right.
side, yeah. So
There?
it touches it all, yeah. Straight down onto it.
Yeah.
Yeah, let it bite in.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So like push it down a bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And hopefully you'll be able to twist that skewer over and lift that cheese up with it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, sort of.
almost,
And then it should cling all of that. Is that sort of worked?
Yeah. I think it might be to do with the way it's on the stick, though. As in, it's not right. The stick's not right through the middle.
Ah, right. Well, we can always make another one. But that's supposed to be it.
Okay. No, look, it has kind of.
You can mop all the cheese up.
That's a good idea. Wow. Would you like that?
Oh wow, actually, that is
That's worked.
covered in melted cheese, to be fair.
That's worked.
Ah, fantastic.
Oh.
It's alright, isn't it? I feel like the bread is a bit like, I don't know.
It's weird because it's on melted cheese. I'm expecting it to be toasted.
Yeah. The bread's like soft, it's just like, there's nothing that has happened to the bread.
It's quite nice though. I've never had a cheesy hot dog before.
Yeah, it's alright. I'm going to consider that a success. In one dog, so that if you have a hot dog, no bread, no ketchup, nothing else like that, 10% of your fat allowance for the day. I think I'll have 3. Mrs. B,
Yes.
final hack of the day. Every once in a while you stumble upon a hack that can change your life.
Okay.
Now, folks, Mrs. B is a little bit intrigued because she had the ingredients today on the table behind us and she's like, there's no more ingredients left.
Is that it? Are we done?
Because it's a household item that we generally have every day.
Washing up
We
liquid?
plenty have enough of them.
Eggs.
Yes,
Right.
you know you're Spanish. Have you ever been in a situation, Mrs. B, where you want to crack an egg,
Yeah.
but you don't want to crack it? I don't know how to explain this. You need to crack an egg into a bowl,
Yep.
but you just can't be bothered to tap it on the side and crack the egg.
So you're gonna put the whole egg in there?
Not quite. All Mrs. B has seen for the start of this hack so far, I've said to her, please could you get a frying pan out? And you have put it on the hob, which is ultimately where it will end up, right?
Right. Yeah.
Please place the hob here.
The hob. So that's one hell of a hack.
So, you would take your egg,
Yes.
and you would go tap, tappy, tap, tap, open that up, and remove the shell.
Right. So
If this works, it changes everything.
egg rethink.
Right, okay, ready? Follow me. Put your hand there.
Oh my gosh.
3, 2, 1. Huh? Look.
Oh yeah, there's no shell in that pan, is there?
Well,
what are you on about?
Yeah, look, there is 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, you got that 3 bit for me there. But look, you can then slosh your egg out, pull the egg out, and it does it like that. It has 1 point of impact.
I'm gonna try.
Oh,
Oh, God.
oh my gosh! No.
I made a double yolk.
You did!
I told you.
The plate, you dropped it right in the yolk. But look, just use your other hand if you want, just to help separate it as you pull it out. There is no shell in that, is there, Mrs. B?
Oh my gosh, mine was better than yours.
Oh, thanks, mate.
Well done.
I think that was pretty...
That's quite a successful video for you.
But would you do that one again?
Yes.
It's quite a successful video for you.
Sorry.
Look at this thing. That's a beast. It's very delicate. I'm going to hold that one for the thumbnail, I think. So let's try this one. Oh, that's nice.
It's crispy.
Mmm. Crispy on the outside, but soft in the middle. That is like an actual chip. In fact, it is. That is like budget gourmet luxury meal, isn't it, in a way? You could like have your friends over. Oh, I just made some potato flowers. Let's just do a bonus thing of trying this corn.
Try your corn.
Oh, it's very well cooked.
It's a bit hard.
That's like corn jerky. Well, there we go then, folks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And check out the rest of the hacks video. And as I say, if you've got any other hacks ideas, do send them in and on our social media or anywhere you can. Basically, anywhere you can. Stamp suggest envelope and we'll have a little look if we haven't done them already. That's it. Favourite one today?
Potato or eggs?
Potato or eggs. Yeah, eggs for fun, but I'm thinking the corn. That was amazing.
Yeah.
That was really fun.
Yeah.
But you do need a bundt tin.
Yeah.
Whereas the eggs, you can just drop them. That was a good old chuckle. Thanks so much for watching, folks, and we'll see you again. Bye.
Bye.
I'm a raw meat rapper, baby, ain't signed to no label, but I'm spreading out these lyrics like topping on a bagel. Cooking is the shizzle, so don't you get stressed, just get a hot pan and some chicken breast.